so today is Easter Day, right?
Yeah!
What does Easter mean?
That you get eggs. That you get eggs. Oh, it means Easter.
Spell Easter.
Sunday na lang.
E-A-S-T-E-R.
How about Sunday? How about Sunday?
S-U-N-D-A-Y-S.
Okay, good job, kids. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Huh? Tuesday na lang? Okay, 1. Honey, Danica, Hana, go get some candy, Han. Make sure that, the eggs has $100. Okay. Okay, 1. Honey, Danica, Han, work it. 2.
Wait muna.
Okay, hold on. Ray is not ready.
Hurry up!
Hold on. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, go!
Go! Hey! Go get some eggs! Look at those eggs! There's money and candies in there. Saba mo na rin niya?
Samantha!
Jump on some $100 on that thing.
I'm not getting any white eggs.
Han, where's the candy, Han?
Don't pick it up.
She doesn't like the grass.
Okay. Jamie Lynn, say hi.
Tapos open ninyo.
Excuse me. Go get some more. He's tired.
That was it.
Do you have 10?
Why is there poop in
Huh?
my car?
Yeah.
Why is there poop in my car?
Why?
Oh, there's a couple more.
Candy? Egg?
Yung mga egg, kasi yung egg may pera. May nakuha na kaming may pera. Ella. You wanna get the candy?
Jane, Wyatt! Right there, Wyatt! There's the eggs over there, right there! Go, Wyatt, go get the eggs! That's like sandwich! Mommy! Just put it there! Huh? Empty? Oh, ikaw kuha sa video resa. Ganito resa. Ganyan lang. And then, pag gusto mo picture dito lang. See, ha?
Okay, you got that egg?
Oh, try.
I got nothing good.
Oh, try.
What? You said you wanted it.
Wyatt has it.
Why